I am Ondrej Spulak. I come from Forestry and Game Management Research Institute here in Czech Republic, and I am working in the field of silviculture and forest ecology mainly. We were invited to come here to the seminar to hear something more about the possibilities of new technologies, which we are observing only from very far distance until now. But we were in the past in a small meeting with a presentation of LiDAR technology of stable LiDAR instrumentation and the analysis of the data. So we know something about it, knew something about it before. What is very interesting for me is detection of drought stress. And stress is by bar beetle. It was told that these analyses are at the beginning or are more complicated, but I'm looking forward to the future. We are part of the Central European forest region, which is now very stressed by climatic movement, climatic changes, which are mainly based on drought periods and increasing temperatures. So the challenges of forestry are basically standing on these events, which are also connected to the not optimal system of the managemental principles which are here. I mean the chain from forest owner through the manager to the people who are really working in forest, which is really complicated here. So the challenges of our forestry are maybe more complicated than the states which are surrounding the Czech Republic. Technologies have to partly grow up to be in more detail able to answer the questions which are very useful for forest management, because now the resolution of or the outputs of the remote sensing data is yet not suitable to substitute the data which are coming from the traditional methods of forest management, forest planning. I see very smart future for the technologies coming from the project, which can be touched in a few years, maybe. It's developing process. I know the project is ending at 2020, but the advantages of the methods, of the principles which are now developing will come, and I think also to the Czech Republic.